Viewers, thank you for joining us. Here we want to solve this circle geometry question, and we are to find the value of angle CBO. Angle CBO, we are finding angle CBO, that is this angle here. So we are finding angle CBO, and also we are finding angle BOC. Angle BOC, which is angle BOC. So this angle here. Now let's look at what we have first. As we know that we are not going to start from where we are finding. So what can we see first from this circle given? You can see that this circle, is a format of our theorem 1 in circle, which is angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So looking at this now, this 130 degrees is our angle at the center. So, and the angle at the circumference is this angle ACB. So we can just say that angle ACB will now be half of angle at the center. So our angle ACB, we can say it is equals to 130 degree divided by 2, because the angle at the center is always more than the angle at the circumference. So we put a reason there. Angle at center equals to 2 times angle at circumference. So we have that reason there. And when we divide 130 degree divided by 2, that means angle ACB there now is 65 degrees. So we have 65 degrees for angle ACB. If you want to understand theorem 1 better, you can go to our previous video on the theorem 1, proof of circle theorem. Now everything here is already gotten to be 65. But let's look at this triangle AOC. Triangle AOC. Of course, you know that triangle is an isosceles triangle there. Why? Because AO is a radius, CO is a radius. So that makes it two sides to be equal in that triangle. Therefore, that triangle AOC, of course, is an isosceles triangle. And we know the property of an isosceles triangle, that the base angle are equal. So this angle, which is angle here OCA, angle OCA, of course, will be equal to 26. That's base angle of isosceles triangle. So I can say that angle OCA is also 26 degree. That is base angle of isosceles triangle AOC there. So we have that. Then if this angle here now is 26 degrees, and we know that everything already before we got it to be 65 degrees, then easily now we can get this angle, which is angle OCB. We can get it by subtracting 26 here from 65. That is, it's being cut into two now. One is 26, of course. The other one will be 39 degrees, because everything add up to 65 degrees. So we can now say that angle OCB is equals to 65 degrees minus 26 degrees, which equals to 39 degrees. So that's angle here now is 39 degrees. But we can see here as well that this triangle BOC is of course also an isosceles triangle. Why? Because we have BO radius, CO radius, two sides equal. It makes it an isosceles triangle, and therefore this angle we got it to be 39 degrees now. Also, this angle we are finding, which is angle OBC, COB now, is now equals to 39 degrees as well. Why? Base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. So we can say that the first one we are finding, which is angle CBO is now equals to 39 degrees. So our angle CBO as well is also equal to 39 degrees. Base angle of isosceles triangle. So that is that. So now to find this angle, which is angle BOC here, we can take this triangle BOC into consideration. We have two of the angles and we are finding the third angle, which is angle BOC there. Easily we can subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degrees. So when we add 39 plus 39, of course, that's 78. So take 78 away from 180 degree. So we can now say that angle BOC that we are finding, angle BOC will then be equals to 180 degrees minus 78 degrees. Why? Sum of angle in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Then we can then subtract, and this one will give us 102 degrees. That is the solution to that problem. You can as well watch it again, and if you want to know the proof of theorem 1, as I've said, ensure you go back to our previous video on the circle theorem to know how theorem 1 is proved and applied. Now I believe you have gained something from this video, and also you can subscribe to this channel for more of our videos, and click on the like button. If you have any comments, put it in the comment section. We say thank you for joining us, and see you in the next class. Take care.